This program will show you how to use conditional operators. Let us first declare a variable called number, and let me ask the user to enter any positive integer value. So whatever user enters will get stored in the number variable. Now my expression is this: if my number is completely divisible by 2 and the remainder is equal to 0, then in that case I will put a question mark. I am using a conditional operator to print that the number is even number. Otherwise the result will be odd number, and after that I will put a semicolon, return 0, and after this I will save my program. It was already named and now I am executing it, and now I am being asked to enter any number. So let's say I enter 34 and it is an even number. Let us run this again, and again I have to enter any positive integer. Let's say I enter 191 and it is an odd number.